gonna make a volcano and with lemon and bacon power. And with this ball, we're gonna make it with this lemon, and it's gonna explode. And we have 2 spoons and food coloring. So this is what I'm gonna do. Poke at it. I'm gonna do this and put drops on it. 1, 2, and shut.
When you get to my door, tell them what is sick. Then you can monster mash.
Look, guys. This is how you make it.
You'll get on fast.
And it's green.
Then you can monster mash.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. Have a good time and subscribe and like button.